Did you know that you can double your productivity without changing your machine only by changing your production mindset? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing that the best way to be productive is to buy a new machine. Don't get me wrong, machinery is very important, but the truth is there's other decisions that are low cost that have a way bigger ROI for your business. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets that are going to revolutionize the way you think about your manufacturing priorities. I'm Jonathan and I'm the founder of Starlight Corp. In the last 10 years, I've helped hundreds of business owners to scale their business with equipment and tooling for aluminum extrusion. So what is the secret formula that I'm talking about? It's very simple, yet extremely powerful. The quality of the tooling that you're using is as important than the equipment itself. So before even thinking about changing your machine, please optimize your tooling. As the saying goes, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Sometimes it's the smallest investment that you can make that can change the whole game. Think of it this way. Investing in a very powerful and efficient equipment, but with the wrong tooling, it's kind of like trying to win the Daytona 500 with the fastest car, but with off-road tires. Machining aluminum extrusion, it's exactly the same concept. It's a very unique industry, and so it requires very unique tooling. Maybe you think that buying tooling doesn't need your full attention, but I'm telling you, this mindset is costing you a lot of money. Let me show you how specialized tooling will help you be more productive and profitable. Secret number 1. Aluminum extrusion is a very sticky and gummy material. So to go fast, you need very sharp tools with a very unique design in order to evacuate the chip very fast. Let me ask you, would you eat a steak with a butter knife? Hell no. For the same reason, for aluminum cutting, you need solid carbide end mill. And here's how we prevent gummy chips from sticking on the tool. We achieve it by having the cutting edge polish, creating a mirror finish that helps the chips sliding off. Also, the tools need to be designed with less flutes and a special angle in order to evacuate the chips easily. Secret number 2. Knowing how to properly use your tooling can easily double your productivity. You'd be surprised how many business owners I've seen purchasing very big CNC machines but only using it at 50% capacity, just because they didn't have the knowledge to properly optimize their production. It's amazing how fast you can increase your productivity simply by knowing how to use and what to use as a tooling. Sometimes the simplest things are the things that make the biggest impact. Secret number 3. End mills are flexible and universal. You only need a limited amount of end mills in order to perform a wide range of machining and to increase your productivity. For example, the same end mill can be used to drill a hole or to machine a pocket. Let's take another example. Let's say you need to make a 9mm hole and you just previously used a 6mm tool. You don't actually need to have a 9mm tool. You can use your previous 6mm end mill in order to do the job. Every tool change is costing you time and money, so use the flexibility of the end mill to increase your bottom line. By now, you must be wondering, how do I get access to these exclusive and specialized tooling? Having spent the last 10 years helping my clients with equipment, I had to find a new solution to help them with their tooling. I've then decided to create our own specialized tooling brand. All our end mills are made in Italy with the finest carbide from Luxembourg. So my goal is to guarantee your success, speed up your process so you get instant results.